Today we are making steamed rice. For making these we need half cup basmati rice, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon oil. Wash the rice 2 or 3 times to remove starch from it. Add enough water and cover with the lid and soak for 30 minutes. Take a pot and add 2.5 cup of water for half cup of rice. And switch on the gas and boil the water. When water is boiled, then add 1/4 teaspoon salt in it because rice cook faster by adding salt. To make rice non-sticky, add half teaspoon oil and then add soaked rice. Drain out all the water from the soaked rice, then add soaked rice into boiled water and give it a light stir. And then cook in a medium flame for 6 to 8 minutes. After 6 to 8 minutes, check the rice by pressing it. If it gets flattened, that means rice is cooked. Switch off the gas and immediately drain out all the water from the rice. Drain out all the water with the help of sieve. And transfer rice into big bowl or plate and let it cool down completely. You can see this is non-sticky perfectly cooked rice. Ready to make for biryani or pulao. If you feel your rice is little overcooked, immediately spread it in a big plate and keep it below a fan or wash with cold water. If you are health conscious, remove all the starch completely in rice by washing it with water because starch increases fat in your body. If you are eating this rice with dal, then no need to cool it. You can serve it hot with dal.